Hey there, store owners, it's Josh Colback here for Advanced Coupons, and I'm back with another quick tutorial just to show you a neat little feature in Advanced Coupons that I really like using because it keeps me more organized in my store, and it's the ability to categorize coupons. So this is a unique feature to Advanced Coupons, which is a coupon feature extension for WooCommerce. You can go to advancedcouponsplugin.com if you want to learn more about that, or there's a link in the description below. But let's just dive straight in here. I'm on my demo site here and I'm in the coupons area, but I'm going to go to this coupon category. So when you install Advanced Coupons, you'll get this new feature called Coupon Categories in this WooCommerce menu. And you can see I've got a couple of categories there just by default, which are already on the site. And I'm just going to add a few more. So I might have some BOGO deals. So I can just add BOGO in there. I might do some monthly specials. And I might do shipping offers. And maybe we have a category especially just for our support people to create coupons. And being able to find your coupons later is really important once you've been running your store for a couple of years. Often you'll end up with hundreds or maybe even thousands of coupons over that kind of time. And having categories can absolutely save your butt because you can just come in here and go straight to the category that you want and filter the coupon list, and it makes it a lot easier to find things. So to be able to assign a coupon, you can basically go into the coupon edit screen. And if I wanted to assign this BOGO one into the BOGO category, I can just come along here, and it should look really familiar to like blog posts or product categories. So it works in the same kind of way. It just drops in this little coupon categories area here. You can add coupon categories on the fly if you want to. And when you do go and add those in, let's just go back to this coupon list view, and you've organized all your coupons, you can go in here and filter the list just by that coupon category, which is super, super handy. It'll save you a lot of time down the track when you're managing your busy store. So that's how you categorize coupons in WooCommerce and keep yourself a lot more organized.